Welcome to today's class. We'll be conducting experiments on simple pendulum. We'll set up the apparatus. This will act as a guide to take us in this practical class. So first of all, we're asked to measure the length of this thread to be equal to 90 cm. So I'll measure, it is equal to 90 cm. Then the next instruction says, displace the pendulum slightly such that it oscillates in a vertical plane. Measure and record the time T for 10 complete oscillations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So my time here is 18.00. So I will record 18.00. I will repeat this again with the length equal to 90 cm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have here 18.25. So I'm going to write here 18.25. The next is that we adjust this thread to be equal to 80 cm. At this point, it is equal to 80 cm. So I'll follow the same process. I will allow it to oscillate 10 complete oscillation. We go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. My time here is 16.28. So I'll record 80.00, 16.28. I will repeat this experiment again with the length equal to 80 cm. So we start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 17.94. So I'll record 17.94. I will adjust this rope again to 70 cm. I will measure the length once again. It is equal to 70 cm. So I will write 70.00. I will displace it to oscillate into 10 oscillation. Then I will measure the time taken. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So my value here is 17.10. 17.10. I will repeat the experiment again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 16.75. So I'll write 16.75. I will adjust my rope to 60 cm. So if I measure this thread, it is equal to 60 cm. I will repeat the same process again. Right here, 60.00. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15.30. So write 15.30. I will repeat the same process again for 60 cm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15.00. The next is 50 cm. So I will adjust this rope to be equal to 50 cm. It is equal to 50 cm. Then I'll allow it to move into 10 oscillations. So we start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 14.12. I will repeat the same process again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 14.31. So having recorded the values from the experiment, I will now calculate these values. T is the average of T1 plus T2, while capital letter T stands in for period. Period simply means time over number of oscillation. Okay, we now find the value of T. T is the average of T1 and T2. So first of all, it is 18.00 plus 18.25 divided by 2, and that is 18.12. Then the next 16.28 plus 17.94 divided by 2, and that will give us 17.11. Then the next is 17.10 plus 16.75 divided by 2, 16.93. Then the next is 15.30 plus 15.00 divided by 2, and that will give 15.15. Then the next is 14.12 plus 14.31. So we now find the value of T. T stands in for period. Period is time over number of oscillation. So for this first one, we're going to have 18.12 divided by 10. And that will give 1.812. Then the next 17.11 divided by 10, and that is 1.711. Then the next is 16.93 divided by 10, and the answer is 1.693. Then the next is 15.15 divided by 10. The answer is 1.515. Then we have 14.21 divided by 10. And the answer is 1.421. We're asked to evaluate the square root of L. That is the square root of the values here. So we say square root of 90 is equal to 9.487. Square root of 80 is equal to 8.944. Square root of 70 is equal to 8.367. While square root of 60 is equal to 7.746. Square root of 50 is equal to 7.071. We're done with this. Then the next question says, plot a graph of t on the vertical axis and square root of n on the horizontal axis.